The objective of our project was to take an existing rail bed and convert it into a Greenway trail. To do this, we came up with different cost estimates and determined if they could meet ADA compliance in order to make a multi-use Greenway trail that connects to the city center.
So the biggest challenge for our project was taking our design of the ADA trail and converting it into AutoCAD Civil 3D.
A positive outcome for the client was being able to get a cost estimation for the entire project.
The biggest positive outcome for me personally was getting to work with an excellent team and getting to understand how all parts of City really fit together within one project. It's a lot of work, but it's totally worth it. And if you have a great team around you, it'll be an excellent experience.